things come slow, slow like so. Run those run, that's how it go. Push through the heat, reap what you sow. Run those run, make the rivers flow. Good things come slow, slow like so.
So your name Lion Eye or Lion One, me fi say? You're deaf, me just tell you already. Lion Eye. Well, you don't need to shout.
Shout, member, you dey talk to a lion. If me really shout bookshelf, them would have dropped down pan you.
Well, no need to get snappy. I'm simply clarifying.
This was supposed to be a civilized conversation. And me did come for that. But from your start, ask me if me name a lion one, me tell you straight. It's like you're poking a lion with a pencil. Next time, come with good energy. And if you can't relax me off a lessons, put some respect on my name.